What's up? This is Richie and Jamie from the Where We Wild YouTube channel, and today we're going to show you how to make a DIY camping toilet. Super cheap, very easy to make. Let's get into it. Okay, so to get started, you're just going to need a few things. First and foremost, some sort of bucket. We grabbed a 5-gallon bucket, obviously at Home Depot. Next up, you need some sort of a pool noodle. Now, we got one that was a little bit thicker because we thought it might provide some better cushioning for sitting, but any type of pool noodle will do just fine. You're going to need a garbage bag, a Sharpie, and some sort of blade to cut through the pool noodle with. We have an X-Acto knife. So to get started here, you want to take your pool noodle and start bending it around the rim of the bucket, just to measure it out and see where you need to cut it. It should end up being around 3 feet. Next, you want to grab your Sharpie and just mark off a nice line for you to cut through. Then you simply just grab your knife and start cutting through the pool noodle. After it's cut, you just want to lay it back on the rim of the bucket just to double check that your length is right. And once again, after measuring just to make sure, it really did end up being right around 3 feet long. The next thing you're going to do is take your knife again and slice all the way down the length of the pool noodle, splitting it open so it fits nicely around the rim of the bucket. Next, you just want to take your garbage bag and line the inside of your bucket. Now, we're just using your basic tall white kitchen garbage bag here, but you can use any type of bag you like. In fact, they sell some on Amazon that are specifically made for portable toilets. They're black in color and biodegradable. We'll link them in the video description for you to check out. Then you put your pool noodle back on the rim of the bucket, which will secure the bag in place. Once you're done doing your business, you simply remove the pool noodle, close up the bag as best you can, and take it off to the trash. Now, a cool little hack here is to disconnect one side of the bucket's handle and feed a roll of toilet paper right down onto it. All you have to do then is reconnect your handle, and you made yourself a great little toilet paper holder / dispenser that makes life a little bit easier. Now, if you want a little more privacy, you can always buy one of those shower tents. We'll link a few in the video description for you. Or you can get creative and make one of your own, using a hula hoop, some shower rings, a shower curtain, and some rope to hang it off a tree branch. So there you have it. Very inexpensive, very quick and easy to make, and it may help you out big time if you're outdoors and you're trying to camp and you got nowhere to do your business. So hopefully this gave you some good ideas. If you have any questions, feel free to hit us up in the comments. And yeah, man, not so hard.
No.
Especially if you drink a lot of water. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to drop a like, and if you're into this sort of thing, don't forget to hit subscribe. We put a new video out every single week. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Later. If you want to see more videos just like this one, be sure to check out the rest of the Where We Wild YouTube channel, where we post a brand new video every week. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you get notified whenever we post a new adventure. Thanks for watching. See ya.